In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect TickMill to TradingView so you can trade directly from TradingView's charts using TickMill's execution. Now, the setup gives you clean charts, powerful indicators, and fast order execution all in one place. But before we connect everything, you want to make sure that you have your accounts both ready for TickMill. It's going to be fully verified, and of course, an account here in TradingView. Now, once you're logged into your TradingView account, I want you to go to the products section and click the super charts. This will forward you to a new page, and then all I have to do is hover down below and make sure that the trading panel is enabled. Hover down to the bottom left corner. Okay, so here on the Find a Broker on the search bar, just type in Tick, and that would give you the TickMill. Click on it and click the connect button. Now, once you do that, okay, these tools will help you make more informed decision, because when you execute a trade via TickMill, you use the MT5 gives you hundreds of built-in custom indicators, multiple chart types like candlesticks, Renko, pine script strategies, and backtesting, giving you orders, open positions, and account data sync instantly between TradingView and your TickMill account. Of course, you have the ability to modify, open, or close trades on either platform, and they reflect in both. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.